Hi and welcome to India's number one construction podcast, Buildmate Podcast.
Now we have with us Mr. Shashikant Gaggar and Mr. Rajeev Pandey. Shashikant sir is the senior VP of the construction industry at HR Organochem, and Rajeev sir is the deputy GM at the same company. Sir, how are you?
We are very fine.
We're good. And how are you doing?
I'm absolutely fine. Today is the
More
second
fine
day.
being with you. Yeah.
So kind, sir.
Yeah.
It's the second day of the World of Concrete exhibition today here at Mumbai. कैसा चल रहा है? Or what are you exhibiting today?
Yeah. It's doing great. And today I believe we have more footfalls than yesterday. Yeah. And we are exhibiting our one and only, the only kind of product globally, that is E5 Eternal Cure, which eliminates the entire process of curing with water,
Yes.
thereby saving potable water. And as you are aware,
Which is a very important resource to
Yeah.
save these days.
around 200 and 250 liters of water are used for curing 1 cubic meter of concrete.
Exactly. Sustainability
just
का एक बहुत
imagine.
बड़ा question आप लोग solve कर रहे हैं. In fact, in a way.
To give you a brief idea,
Yes, please.
now we have produced in the year 2022
Yes.
about 650 million cubic meter of concrete in India alone.
How much?
550 million cubic meters of concrete in India
Wow.
alone,
Hmm.
multiplied by 250 kg, which is required for curing, it comes to
Water.
about 1.2 billion tons to 1.5 billion tons of water, which is
Per
Potable
annum.
water.
potable
Potable.
drinking water. This product has the potential to save that.
Hmm.
आज लोगों को पीने का पानी नहीं मिल रहा है. There's
बिल्कुल
a
नहीं है.
problem of drinking water, and we are spending so much water
Exactly.
only in curing of concrete.
छोटे छोटे शहर अर्बनाइज हो रहे हैं. छोटे छोटे tier 2 cities, 3 or 4
That's
cities.
right.
अर्बनाइजेशन बढ़ती जा रही है, हाउसिंग बढ़ती जा रही है,
Yeah.
बिजनेसेस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, पॉपुलेशन तो हम लोग नंबर 1 पे पहुंच चुके हैं दुनिया में.
Yes.
Correct.
So there is that consumption that is required from everybody, and everybody needs
Growing
that
day by
basic.
day.
वो जली जीवन है,
बिल्कुल.
सबको चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
And you're kind of solving a very, very big problem here. And the task and the challenge is also humongous. How are you solving it with the product called E5? आप क्या कर रहे हैं उसमें? उसकी क्या properties and how do you?
See, E5 basically is an internal cure. That is, it cures the concrete from by supplying the water required for hydration internally. It doesn't
Yes.
allow water to evaporate.
Escape. Yeah.
By virtue of its, it's a ultra nano silica based particles,
Yes.
which hold the water and doesn't allow it to escape. Thereby, we do curing to maintain the moisture. So thereby, this doesn't allow water or moisture to evaporate. Thereby, it allows the continued hydration of the cement, and thereby the resultant CSH
आपने
gel.
इमेज
and all.
लगा रखी है जहाँ पर वो पानी के मॉलिक्यूल के
Correct.
ऊपर
Right.
वो आपकी E5
Right.
की एक
Correct.
लेयर
So-
है.
So
which
what
entraps
happens?
it.
So
Yeah.
what
Makes it a-
happens is, to give you the basic, what is going on in between.
Yes.
So in concrete, everybody use an admixture or an additive, which prolongs its life, workable life.
Yeah.
It gives it workability. So what it actually happens is when you add PC, it creates a natural steric hindrance, which dispels the cement molecules.
केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा था ये हमने.
Yes. तो
Correct.
अभी इसको क्या करता है ये E5 पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, तो पानी के साथ में फिर सीमेंट मॉलिक्यूल को एनवेलप कर देता है,
क्या बात है.
एंड so that leads
साथ
to
में पानी में.
30% more hydration.
Yes.
30% more hydration with the same amount of water. And apart from saving so much water, water which is fit for drinking,
Yes.
it also gives the concrete, it enhances the performance of the concrete to another level. So we're talking about concrete 2.0 here, if you use E5
Yeah.
in the concrete.
So
Are you making
curing
it for-
is one part. The additional advantages are many.
That is what I'm coming to actually. मैं यही पूछना चाह रहा था आपसे, especially like राजीव सर, आप एक बात बताइए, like when you mentioned this, are you making this product for special concrete?
No.
Or is this for all types of concrete?
It's for all types of
UHPC included?
Yes.
Any basic M20, M25 जो घरों में लग रहा
Yes.
है या फिर
Any
Not
kind
that
of
clear.
concrete. any kind of
slabs,
concrete.
columns, roads,
we can use it for
beams, wall pardi, you name it. We can use it.
Any kind of concrete, any usage, any grade, M20 to M80, whatever grades, whatever
Okay.
kind of concrete. Yeah.
अब बच गया वो टिपिकल इंडियन सवाल, कितना देती है, right?
Correct,
So-
correct.
What kind of a cost factor are we adding to our existing concrete when we use E5?
So, you see, when we put a number we have to understand and we have to compare apple to apple here,
Absolutely,
right?
yes.
So, when we talk about the properties which it enhances, like abrasion resistance, like impermeability, like waterproofing, and the densification of this.
Yes.
So when you put a number across that, you will actually end up saving money.
And to add to that, if you consider the sustainability factor, the saving is immense. Like, they say it, na? या तो आप आज you spend it और you आगे के जनरेशन के लिए बचा के रखिए. So उस फैक्टर को कंसीडर करें तो
the short term cost versus long term gain.
And that value is immense, right? You're saving the water so that our generations ahead can actually savor it.
मैं बहुत चीजें बचा रहा हूँ एक्चुअली. अगर मैं पानी के escaping रोक रहा हूँ या completely shut off कर रहा हूँ, let's say, and if I'm able to achieve that, I'm avoiding shrinkage cracks.
Yeah,
absolutely.
सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है आज नॉर्थ इंडिया में, स्पेशली जहाँ टेम्परेचर वेरिएंस बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है. गर्मियों में जो छतें डलती हैं.
Rishabh, I'm very impressed by your knowledge of concrete. Very
सर मैं अच्छे लोगों से सीखा हूँ. मेरे गुरु बहुत अच्छे हैं. I'm very lucky to find people like you who've taught me all these things. और ये सब acquired knowledge है. But जिस तरीके के श्रिंकेज क्रैक्स हो जाते हैं या और भी बहुत टाइप के कंक्रीट क्रैक्स हैं जो पानी के एस्केप होने की वजह से हो जाते हैं या किसी और वजह से हो जाते हैं. I think we are getting rid of.
It makes it impermeable. The surface becomes very hard. Abrasion resistance is to the highest.
Okay.
When, as measured by the British standards 8204, there's a test called Chaplin abrasion test.
Yes.
उसकी जो highest है, extreme special case है, उससे भी इसकी wear resistance much higher है.
Okay.
So to quote the exact table number 3 of BS 8204. So the highest class is it should give a depth of 0.05. That is the highest excellent wear class, and our value comes to about 0.031.
Okay.
मतलब उससे भी almost half wear होता है if you use this E5.
What are the standards that govern the use of this product in
This
India?
is a British. No, see, this comes under IS 9103 is there,
Okay.
which is specially for additives and admixtures in concrete.
Okay.
So it comes under type 8, which is any other admixture apart from the ones mentioned in from 1 to 7.
Okay.
Also in the ASTM,
Okay.
same thing applies.
Okay. Great.
And this is a
C494.
patented product. So
You have the global patent for that?
correct.
Yes. So coming back to what you were saying about when water evaporates from the concrete,
Yes.
it creates channels, and those channels allow chemical agents and reagents like chlorides and sulfates to get inside the concrete.
Yes.
Now, what this will do when we say it is densifying the surface, it is basically what it's doing. It is filling up all the pores
Yes.
that are created. So, and you would also appreciate when you talk about shrinkage cracks. What are shrinkage cracks? They are nothing but continuation of these pores.
Yes.
When they connect, that's when the cracks form. So, when this fills up the pores, there is no question
Very interesting.
of shrinkage.
So the surface area, which is the weakest part of a concrete, where bleeding occurs and the water is collected and evaporated.
Yes.
The weakest, it strengthens that part and makes it the strongest. That's why the higher abrasion resistance and higher flatness, higher
Surface hardness.
hardness, those kind of things.
It also avoids your curling, which is a major problem in slabs and concrete structures which are not reinforced.
Yes.
So that is also one thing.
Awesome. मेरी ऑडियंस को मजा आ जाएगा आपके सवाल, आपके जवाब सुन के.
This
क्योंकि
is
सबको टेक्निकल डिटेल बहुत पसंद है. And the way you guys are explaining it, लोग बिजनेस तो करते हैं, but आप तो पूरा का पूरा टेक्निकल एक्सप्लेनेशन.
So Rishabh, ये क्या है? This is a futuristic product. You can say हमने 5 साल आगे की टेक्नोलॉजी we have brought in before time in India, because now it is a global village.
Yes.
So anything, everybody has access to everything. So आज ये US में it's hardly being used since last 4 to 5 years, and lo and behold, we have brought it in India so fast. So आज like I said, we are ahead of the times.
Yes.
So it is like India will get a futuristic product before time and will have this opportunity.
You were watching India's #1 construction podcast, Buildmate Podcast.